this restaurant over here if y'all want it. It's called Red O, Taste of Mexico. I will be vlogging here soon one day. If y'all want some like restaurants or food, they have great food out here. And this, remind you, this is on the outskirts of the Santa Monica Pier. You know, we got the kiddie rides. So if you got kids, that would be great. Or if you just want to chill. Let's see what it is. Now we in the arcades. Beautiful games in the arcades. You know, all the arcades. You know, you can play ball. Of course, you got basketball, more games, and just filled with activities. I know y'all remember these. This looks pretty cool. You got more games. Of course, you got hockey tables. It's pretty good. You got this payroll. Now you can sit down in it, and then you just play. Now they got the little controllers. It's like $2 a game. Crazy traffic, huh? Alright, now that was the game arcade. So let's go further down. That was the game arcade. What else? Of course, you got the roller coasters. I don't know if it's open for the public, but we're gonna see. So let's now we over here. You see the Mercury ground. You see the stop sign. So let's check out the Mercury merry-go-round first. So let's check this out. First stop, merry-go-round. Now we got the old-fashioned merry-go-round. We haven't seen this in a while. It's beautiful. Got like a little ancient scene, little merry-go-round. See the beautiful horses. We got dog skateboarding. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Go for it. You know, we got dog skateboarding, and you never know what you see next. You got Seaside on the pier, more restaurants. You got Bubba Gump Shrimp Company. Y'all want to see how it is? Let's go in. Hello. Hey, I'm just vlogging, showing people around Santa Monica Pier. So when they come, they could just know what's some good places to go. That's all. I was just showing. But I like this shop. Just showing the people around. Hey. This area seems pretty packed today, so let's go inside of this one.